Have you ever found yourself pushing away someone you deeply care about? Maybe it's your partner, a friend, or even family. You don't mean to hurt them, but your actions tell a different story. Why do we do this? Psychologists call this fear of intimacy, and believe it or not, it's more common than you think. Could this be you? Let's dive into the hidden reasons and learn how to stop it. Sometimes we push others away because of past wounds. Maybe someone you trusted betrayed you, or you were taught that vulnerability is weakness. Over time, you start building walls, thinking, if I keep them out, they can't hurt me. Another reason, self-sabotage. You don't feel good enough, so you assume they'll leave eventually. It's like breaking your own heart before anyone else gets the chance. But here's the irony, by protecting yourself, you're also isolating yourself. You're chasing safety but losing connection. The good news? You can unlearn these patterns, start small, open up about your fears, even if it feels terrifying. Vulnerability isn't weakness, it's courage in its rawest form. Every time you choose connection over fear, you're rewriting your story. A story where love doesn't have to be pushed away but embraced, nurtured, and celebrated. If this resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who might need to hear it. And if you're ready to take this journey of self-discovery, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together. Because at the end of the day, love isn't about perfection.